In this tutorial, I will show you Crystallize and Wrinkle tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. I have drawn two circles here to demonstrate these tools. First of all, I would like to show you Crystallize tool. Okay, I am double clicking here and you can see this is the same options as like other liquify tools here. Here is Crystallize option. This is complexity. I am selecting one, detail 10, and I have also this is details, brush effects in tangent handles and brush effects out tangent handles. I am selecting. This is so. After choosing this option, I would like to show you if I want to decrease or increase the brush size. Holding down keyboard Alt, I am clicking holding down, and I am left or right or upper or lower to increase or manage the size of the brush. If I hold down together shift, then it will be decreased or increased in constant proportion. So after decreasing the size, I would like to show you Crystallize tool. So I am clicking here. You need to select. You can see I am clicking here in the outside of the circle, and it is looks like as crystal, and it is this Crystallize is begins from the inner part of the circle. And if I am clicking, I am covering the brush size with the to full circle and clicking in the center of the circle. You can see this is Crystallize whole circle, and this is the continuation of the crystallization. So I am now selecting Wrinkle tool. I would like to show you in this circle. I am double clicking here. All are same. Here is complexity 1 and detail 10 as like I have chosen for Crystallize tools. Here is two more options. This is wrinkles options, horizontal 100% and vertical 100%. I am selecting it 50%. Both are 15% and complexity 1. So I am clicking. So I am clicking outside. You can see my brush size, Wrinkle tool's brush size crosshair is outside the circle. So I am clicking here. You can see here is very subtle wrinkles in the outside of the circle, and if I select covered the whole circle and click on the middle or center of the circle, then you can see this is the wrinkle options. You can see small wrinkles in the outer part of the circle. So that was for this tutorial. I hope you got both these liquify tools, Crystallize and Wrinkle tools. If so, please subscribe this channel and keep editing.